Gentlemen, it's timed edge, and I'm just doing a quick trade breakdown of a NQ trade that happened this morning. In actual fact, I missed this setup, and I'm going to tell you the reasons why, and I'm going to tell you how we could have got in this setup and potentially traded 30R. Okay, so opening price today, I don't start trading till 8 AM London, the time that is. Okay, so we had an expansion day yesterday. Tuesday is always a high probability CRT day, so I'm looking for, if we get a reversal sequential SMT, we have NQ and ES above previous day's high and YM resting below. I'm going to run you through the reasons why I was a little bit dubious about the setup in the first place. Okay, so we've got previous week's high here on YM and previous day's high, so we're resting a few ticks below, and I thought that we were going to go up and sweep this liquidity, create a daily cycle in the next session, and maybe we could go back down to this equilibrium of previous day's range. Okay, it didn't actually happen, and instead I should just trade what I see. I'm a little bit rusty, I'm not going to lie, but I'm just going to tell you that I'm human, and this is how we could enter this position. Okay, so we have a weekly cycle. This is the index futures triad, YM, NQ, ES. Two of the assets above create the divergence. I want to see the timed edge entry model. So we drop down to the M1. You know what I want to see? If you've been following me for a while, you'll know what I want to see. M1, I want to see a wick above, clear the liquidity from the range high. Okay, so we have YM clearing that liquidity. That also gives us divergence and a micro. And sorry, NQ is just lagging there, just catching up. Okay, it is also, I just want to run by 10 minutes past the hour. I'm now looking for the new 15-minute high to come in. Okay, so I'm just going to mark that, and okay, so the previous 15-minute high, because we've got a bit of a single leg expansion. Okay, so let's mark the 15-minute high. We're always looking to fuel our move in the opposite direction. Okay, we're taking the buy side liquidity to move down. Okay, so sorry, a bit of a lag there. First candle doesn't break, which is good. We then go up and take, we haven't been given a PSP in this scenario, but we've cleared the liquidity above. Okay, so something I can look for in this scenario is a 15-second inversion. Okay, so we've got this. I'm looking for price to come back down and close back through this. Through this area, then I can enter the position. Right, we're reacting from that. Want a strong close through. Okay, there we go. That's the entry candle there. I don't know if I can put that on. Yes, I can. So your stop loss would go above. Take profit would be, take profit would be away. I mean, the first target would probably be Asia low. Let's just drop out onto the H1. Yeah, so first target would probably be Asia low, standard deviation, but ideally that would be our target down there. Okay, so we're just going to let price play out. Oh, I didn't move the thing. Confirm that, but you can see how I entered that. wick above, close below, or hit the 50%. Okay, so this is quite a big range on Monday, so the target would be previous day's range 50%. Okay, and you can clearly see that we've just hit that now, so that's hence why I'm doing the video. What I will say though, the liquidity was tapped in on the YM, so there was liquidity there, previous week's high and the previous day's high. YM has just depegged itself, and all transparency really from me. To be honest, I should be in this trade regardless. Sequential S&T indicates reversal. My model's there, should have just pulled the trigger. So yeah, so I'm learning, growing, but I thought I'd do an honest video and a YouTube breakdown to see how you could get these kind of risk to reward trades using the model. Alright, okay. Please like and subscribe if you like the channel. Leave your comments below. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to get back to you. If you want to get access to the indicator, timed edge, it is on WAP. Yeah, thanks for listening.